2019, or hi, it's January. Hi, early January 2020, Woodward Acres made our first purchase of the year. We went ahead and got the 2020 Polaris Ranger. I guess they call it a premium because it's not the XP, but it's supposed to be geared a little bit lower, which is all right with us. I drove to Tennessee January 1st, and I bought this on 8/30 January 2nd. So I might have been one of the first people in the year of 2020 to make a purchase. What I wanted to talk about today was the 3 upgrades we did, and I want to know if you would have done something different. Okay, so upgrade number 1, I think this is like you just have to do it. You're kind of stupid if you don't. It's a roof. Okay, that was the first thing where I'm like, look, I'm not gonna have one and not have a roof on it. Upgrade number 2, I don't know why I said 3 upgrades, we actually did 4. Upgrade number 2, we put the 3-inch lift kit on there. The other upgrade we did is I put the rear view mirror in. Is that dumb? What if you put a rear view mirror in yours? Let us know. And the last upgrade we did is we put a motorized dump box. I think so. We're gonna move this stuff around. It could be nice. That literally was the first time I hit that button, so. So I've never owned a side-by-side before. Hell, I've barely even ridden in a side-by-side before. This is our first one ever. My question is, to you, YouTube world, kids, kids are just busy eating icicles. What accessories do you have on yours that you find to be like absolutely have to have? And what accessories did we leave out that, because I never know what I'm doing, did I leave out and I should have added? Comment down below and let us know.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notifications so you can get notified every time we make a new video. Bye! Bye!